Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today on this channel we are going to make clear slime. This video is a little bit different because on my channel I usually make French edition videos. So my planning for this video is every 2 weeks I'm going to be making English edition video. So let's get started. For this video we're going to need, for this slime we're going to need borax glue, something to mix with, water, and that's it, and a bowl too. So now I'm going to take my glue and pour it into my bowl. You can use any type of glue. It must be clear slime, clear glue, because we are doing a clear slime. It's logic. So that's it. Now I'm going to pour all my glue into the bowl. Mix the glue together. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water into my glue mixture. So you see the quantity of water I used, not as much. You're just going to pour a little bit of water and then mix. Then now I'm adding my activator. You can use borax or contactless solution with baking soda. So you have to put your activator or borax gradually. If not, your slime is going to be too activated and it's not going to be too nice. So that's it. So the step I'm taking now is pour a little bit of activator or borax and mix my consistency until it forms a slime texture. And in the comment section, can you please comment any type of slime you want to see in my further video. I know my English accent is not the best, so please bear with me. So the slime now, it's almost ready. So now I'm going to add a little bit of activator, so my slime should be ready in a few seconds. So now if you want to know your slime is ready, it's that the slime must not stick to the bowl anymore. So now I think my slime is ready. I'll just have to play with it a little bit and add a little bit of activator, and my slime is good to go. So now my slime is ready. To have a clear slime, you have to leave your slime for like 5 days maximum. So this is my slime after 5 days. You see my slime is clear. So don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Love you.